Okay, today we're going to look at the Fram High Mileage HM8A oil filter. And you can get this at Rock Auto for $6.67. So let's get started. It looks like it has a metal, except for it's supposed to cut it, get your inner ear, filtration of Okay, it's supposed to have some kind of time release additives to help extend the life of high mileage vehicles. And you're supposed to use this at 75,000 miles. I guess it's like putting high mileage oil in your vehicle. And here's a little diagram here, a little illustration of what it is. Well, we'll see when we cut it open. Anyways, let's open up the box. This is sealed. I haven't even opened it yet. Yeah, high mileage. See if you can see this down here. Made in USA right there. I don't see a date code. I don't know, maybe this is it here. Yeah, it's probably it. 862521 or 31. Yeah, it looks like a 2. Yeah, that's about all I see here as far as date codes. Got 8 inlet holes. I see something inside there. It's going to be my first time opening up one of these. I actually went to the Fram website and they don't even have this listed anymore, so they probably stopped making these. But Rock Auto had this one. All right, let's cut this open and see what she looks like inside. Okay, this filter weighs 13.4 ounces. Here, the base plate. It's got 8 holes, 8 inlet holes. O-ring, typical O-ring. And I see about it's about 4 or 5 threads here. It's pretty good size. Base plate's fine. Okay, here's where it gets a little interesting. Is this time release gel, high mileage gel here. Here it is. You can see it's sticky, but it doesn't leave any residue behind on my finger. Although it feels like a little greasy. Yeah. Strange. High mileage stuff. This is supposed to your filter, this must goes through here. Your oil flow must go through here, come out here, and this is your anti-drain back valve, which I don't know if this is silicone. It kind of feels like silicone. I think it is, because it's very flexible. Yeah, I'm betting this is. And here we go for, you know what, let me weigh this stuff actually. The base plate is 6.1 ounces. And with this stuff here, 7 ounces. I counted 36 pleats, and is your bypass valve. This has got a setting of 12 psi. Actually goes fairly easy, but it's made pretty good. I don't think this would collapse or anything. But this is, you got your felt fiber end caps or whatever. Not a fan. It's a metal inner core with holes. Yeah, the paper element itself, it looks okay. It's glued right here. There's usually a big gap wherever the seam is. But you know, this part here is not too good. I don't really care for this. Well, it is what it is. Let's see how wide she is. .03 inches wide. I can give you how thick it is. About 2.9 inches round. And the can. Let me put this on millimeters. About 0.4. That's average. 0.4 millimeters. It's the can weight. 3.4 ounces. Yeah, otherwise, I mean, this looks fine, except for, man, if it had some metal end caps, it'd be nice. I say we cut this open and see how long she is. Okay, here she is laid out. She's 49 3/4 inches long. Okay, and this filter element is supposed to be a cellulose and synthetic glass media with a 95% dirt trapping efficiency and a micron rating of 8. And that's what I got off of the Rock Auto website. So, I don't know. Because the Fram website doesn't even show this filter at all. I don't know if they stopped making these. And these are just, you know, some kind of old stuff that Rock Auto has. But the filter itself, the element here, media, I mean, is fine. It feels fine. You know, I got two gripes about it. I wouldn't use this filter. One is these end caps. I don't like those kind of end caps. I just ripped that right off of there, and it came off pretty easily. Came, you know, into pieces. And another thing, I wouldn't use it with this thing because it probably wouldn't happen, but it wouldn't, you know, I wouldn't sleep good at night because, you know, you get a little chunk of this coming off and going through and, you know, getting inside your engine, that would, I think that would clog things up. I wouldn't, you know, it's like a Jello, but you never know. I mean, I wouldn't trust this stuff. It's kind of, see, it's greasy. It's like a grease. But, I mean, I would rather, if you want a high mileage, I would just get high mileage oil. Why get a filter? You don't even know who makes this or, you know, anything. It's like, not something I would do. Anyways, you know, you got your inner core here, which is fine if it wasn't surrounded with that. And, you know, this is nice with the, you know, you got the grip. Yeah, I got two things I don't like about this filter, but Like I said, maybe they don't even make these anymore. I'm not sure, but you can still buy them. So if you want to use this in your car, or if you've been using it in your car or truck or what have you, even if you're using a different filter number, you can see what's inside there. Hey, if you like the video, hit that like button, because sometimes I get a lot of views and sometimes not too many, and the video seems to go to YouTube cemetery. Hey, thanks for watching and take care.